Camera going. You're the young one, and you're usually the one that's late. So be quiet.
Hey Ben, you said you'd be $1 if I retract the wing?
Yeah, doesn't count out.
I just changed the oh god, I took the whole run. Okay.
Landing.
So right now, what I changed from last time was I gave myself more aileron throw. But that flight, there was like a little bit too much aileron.
Okay.
Like, did you notice how fast it was the first time?
Yeah.
Like, it was.
Thought about giving it a little bit less aileron.
He had a little bit less.
I had last, so I think
You use rudder.
I was using because the rudders are snappy.
Mix it.
Oh, they make it roll?
Yeah, they like do a little.
Like you have to change.
No gyro though.
Timer cleared.
Which one am I?
I'm the one in the back.
Taking off!
I'm gonna do a.
Gear up. Flat.
Huh?
Yes, this is fun. Because why not? It works really well.
What'd you say?
He asked me if this is stuff.
Oh.
I never thought I'd see Frank with a stock plane.
I know. It's only once in a while. Not always.
Dude, I'm loving this gyro.
I know.
It's totally changed the plane.
It makes a difference.
It's so much more fun to fly now.
It feels so slow right now. What the heck?
The wind.
It's like I'm not going anywhere.
Well, you're not. I'm not catching you, so you're not going that slow. You gonna let me catch you or what?
Dude, I am so cold, bro.
I'm trying to catch your fast ass. What the hell?
Slow in the hell.
Let me cut in then. There.
I haven't installed it. We gotta come together with it.
If you I'll follow you.
I'm gonna turn and it's gonna come together.
Okay.
Mig brothers. El Miguel.
Okay, let's see if I can.
I have no flaps down on mine.
Time remaining 1 minute.
My tail hook didn't.
Yeah, the gyro helps a lot.
Look at that!
I'm turning around, coming the other way.
That is pretty cool.
So it just flips up. It flips up.
You guys are like the god of MIGs.
It's all like a little. El Miguel.
El Miguel's.
30 seconds.
You like to put us down on that thing off. Alright, Jenny, I gotta go.
Oh yeah, this is cool. Now the nose just drops a little bit.
Very nice. Look at that! Look at that!
Very nice, Frankie. Thank you for the setup, because I'm very happy.
10,
All right, blast pass.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What battery, Frank?
Fired.
5,000?
Which one? Heavy duty?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're probably the same.
I don't even know what I haven't recorded in a while.
Mine sounds good.
21.9. Dude, that high alpha was pretty cool.
I'm doing it again right now.
Yeah, you already set up for
Damn cattle run going on back there. Sounds like a damn cattle run going on back there.
coming in. I'm low.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm coming into land right now.
Down. Landing flat.
See ya.
Pitch over.
I'm landing, Frank.
Right behind you.
Oh my God, it's so easy now.
Flaps up.
I don't know what the hell that was, but my landing was okay. That was definitely a stanky Frankie.
That was that's not a good landing.
Dude, this gyro was amazing. I'm happy with it.
Yeah, I am.
This is the V1.
Yeah, this is good. My fingers are frozen. That's why I didn't have any.
That's
movement.
alright.
I don't know what that was. Oh, look at the wheels. That's funny.
Woo!
Oh, you guys have afterburners. I need to put one in.
I thought you had one in there.
Oh my God.
Oh, God, it's cold.